Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic with your tech tip for today. A lot of times when you're working on the parking brake lines in your car, it has these little fittings here that clips in. So once you stick it in, it doesn't come back off. We have an easy way to get that out rather than trying to hit it with a screwdriver or pliers or something like that. I have a very quick and very easy way to do it. So I'm going to give a quick shout out here to my buddy Lucas, who used to work for me back when I had my Jeep shop. He showed me this little trick. I was always in there with a pair of channel locks or something like that, really ripping on him, trying to come out. And he was like, hey, check this out. What you do is you take a 13mm box end wrench and it fits perfectly over this. Here's one we've already taken out. If you see, you can slide it in there. It fits perfectly over the edge and it pushes those little tangs down on it, flush with it. So we have one more in here that we need to take off. I'm going to show you how well it works. So right here's the one we're going to take out. What you do is you take your box end wrench and slide it down the line right there until it's fitting over that piece. Now push it tight until it's flush. Then it pushes those tangs down and you can just pull it right out. Just like that. So there you go, a simple and easy way to remove parking brake lines using a tool that you already have. That will save you tons of time, especially when it's super hot on a day like today and I don't want to waste any more time pulling out some stupid parking brake lines. If you have anything else you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and follow our business page, Shuck Auto. See you guys next time.